Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. So, today's video, I'm going to show you an update on my huge auction. It's getting to be really big, and I'm super excited about it. If you've been following along with me, you probably know, but I'll go over just a little bit of the gist of it. So, since my time on YouTube, Bagoday Crochets charity of choice has always been animal welfare, animal rescue. I have raised thousands of dollars on my time on YouTube for animal rescue. Now, the last time that I did an event for animal rescue, it was before COVID, so this is my first one in several years. Yeah, probably 3 or 4 years. It might be 3 years, maybe, I don't know. But I do have videos on those. And I was able to raise $4,500, and that was without an auction. That was just people donating to my cause. Well, this is going to be a huge auction. So what had happened, if you haven't been following along, I purchased crochet and knit Afghan kits from Mary Maxim. I bought them myself, and then I commissioned them out. And I paid people $150 to crochet or knit them. And then when they're done, they're going to send them all back. I have a few back already. 5 or 6. But I did have about 35, maybe even 40. I'm not certain. And when they all get back, I'm going to be auctioning them off for animal welfare. All the money is going to go to the Best Friends Society of the United States. The auction will probably be held sometime in the beginning of the summer, probably the first start of the summer, because some people, Afghans take a little while to make. So I'm going to make sure everybody has time and they don't have to rush to make their Afghans. I don't have any more Afghans to commission out, and I'm not accepting Afghan donations from people at the moment because I already have so many to do. But I did say I would possibly do another one this fall where people could donate their own Afghans and stuff like that. I just have so much stuff. Not only do I have things Afghans to auction off, people asked me if I would auction off a few things that I had made myself personally that were smaller in case they couldn't get an Afghan. Of course, I have some things that I will auction off that I made myself. If anybody's interested in that. And I'll also have a direct link to the Best Friends Society that you can donate directly to them. This animal society means animal welfare in general, and animal rescue means a lot to me. It's what I've always advocated for on my time on YouTube. And that's what it'll always be. So this undertaking is huge, and I'm hoping to make, like I said, last time I made $4,500, and you can watch the video on the animal rescue that I gave that to. Somewhere on my YouTube channel. They're very excited to get that. I am hoping, though this is such a big undertaking, I am hoping to at least get, I'm hoping, I have a goal of $10,000 this year to donate to the Best Friends Animal Society. So I will do whatever it takes to reach that goal. But what I want to show you today is, enough yik yak, Crystal. Mary Maxim is where I purchased all the Afghan kits from. Except for like 2 maybe came from Hirschner's. But the rest from Mary Maxim's Afghan kits, because I think they have the best kits. They so kindly actually also donated one for me, which I commissioned out, which is being done at the moment. They donated a kit for me to commission out to someone. So I did do that as well, which was very nice of them. I didn't know they were going to do that, but they did do that. I also had another yarn company, a small family-owned yarn company that sent an alpaca blanket throw that is going to be auctioned off. So that was very kind of them as well. They didn't have to do that, but they did. And I will link both, link them below so you can check them out. But it was very kind of them to do that. But I have a box here, another one from Mary Maxim. So they emailed me, and they said that they had a few Afghans that they had left over from photo shoots for their kits that they make, and they said they wanted to donate them for my cause. And I thought that was very kind of them to want to do that, and I said that would be okay. So I do have a lot of Afghans to auction off. But I said, like I said, I'll do some smaller things too, because a lot of people ask me if I would, that I've made. I have a couple designs that are not, that I'm going to be auctioning off, that are, will never be a tutorial. They're my own designs, but they will never be a tutorial, and they will never be a pattern. They'll just be original. So those are going to be auctioned off, you know, and stuff like that. So anyways, I want to see what Mary Maxim sent in this box. I know it's Afghans, that they said that, you know, that when they do kits, they have Afghans they have to do photo shoots for, and they have these left over. So if you guys want to see them with me, I'm excited. So Mary Maxim, if you're watching, I want to say thank you for everything you've done for me in the process of this. You know, I didn't even tell them about it. I just started buying Afghan kits, and then I guess they watched my videos and they realized what I was doing, and then they donated a kit to me, and then they're donating this to me, and then I just think, you know, Mary Maxim is a small business as well, and I appreciate it very much, your kindness that you showed towards my cause and wanting to help, and everybody else too that's helped, all the crocheters that I commissioned out, all the knitters I commissioned out, even those who've offered to send in things. It's not that I don't want them, it's just I have so much, but like I said, you could save those, and we'll probably do another one this fall, so we'll do that. I'm thankful for everything that everybody's offered, you know, I always am. Alright, let's see what's in this box. So, I'm going to take it that these are ones maybe the Mary Maximum design team probably crocheted up, and then they used it for photo shoots, and then they sent them to me to auction off. How kind of them. Oh, here's a letter. Let me read the letter first. It's so nice, you know. Thank you, Mary Maxim. Crystal, we would like to donate these Afghans for your auction. Brian. Thank you very much, Brian, and thank you everybody at Mary Maxim. It's very kind. It's very touching. It means a lot to me that you did this, because the animal welfare means a lot to me. So, thank you. I will keep this card and always remember what you did out of the kindness of your heart. Okay, so let's look at this first one here. How exciting, huh? They got some tags with them, which I'll tie to them. I've been trying to label the Afghans as they come in, who made them and what kit it was and what yarn was used and the size, so people know when they auction them off. So this is corner to corner, made with Ogo yarn, made in Canada, 100% acrylic. Okay, made in Canada. Yes, Mary Maxim is in Canada as well. So let's look at this one. Ooh, this was made with the Ogo yarn, it said. That's pretty. Let me see if I can get the wrong side top edge. Okay. Okay, I think it goes this way. Isn't that? That's some pretty Ogo yarn. Look at that. So that's a nice, beautiful. I'll get it measured and tagged and everything, but that's pretty. There's their edging they put on it. That's a very pretty corner to corner. Thank you very much. Crocheted in Canada. It's beautiful blue. Love that one. So I'm going to put this back. I don't want to lose these tags to each one. I want to make sure that every tag gets the correct yarn content and a name, so I know in case anybody's allergic to wool, I don't want to send them to bid on something that has wool in it. So thank you very much. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this one's pretty. It's so kind of them. Okay. Sorry, I just turned my camera up for a minute. Okay, so this says Granny Blocks Blanket, and then it has the kit number. So I could put that on the label, and we can look it up and see what yarn is used. That's pretty. Now that's nice and thick yarn. That's nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? green and browns. That's beautiful. Very nice. Thank you very much, Mary Maxim. So that's the Granny Box. And it has the kit number. Amazing. So I'll get a size of that one. Back in the bag. Alright, let's see what else I got here. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. This one looks crocheted. Let's see. There is no tag on this one. So it'll be just, I'll see if I can find it on Mary Maxim's site. If I can't, it might be one that they don't have anymore. I have no idea, but let's look at it. Look at that beauty. That's very pretty. The yarn's pretty. Nice pretty blues. I like that row of clusters there. The double clusters attached to each other. And we got the block stitch there. That's pretty. That's a pretty blanket. Some granny stitching going on. Some post stitches. It's just a mix of stitches. So that is gorgeous. Thank you very much. Auctioned off. Like I said, I'll try to find some info on it on their site. If I don't, it'll just be the mystery Afghan. Okay. I'm not setting these on the floor. I have a tote down here. Okay, it looks like there's 2 knitted ones in here. So these are knitted. So I enjoy sharing them with you, you know, you guys, so you can see. Alright, so there's no tag. Oh yeah, there is a tag. You know, there could have been a tag on the other one. Maybe I didn't see it. I'll look closer. But this one says, this is the Starlet Chunky Ripple. Okay. Knitted. That's pretty. So this is made with the Mary Maxim Starlet yarn, the Chunky. And it's knitted ripple style. Beautiful, beautiful neutral grays. I love that. A little bit of cream on top. That's a gorgeous blanket. I'd like to keep that. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Hold that up. So the Starlet yarn, I believe, is a, make sure I didn't miss a tag on this. It's possible I did, but I'll look over it again later. So their Starlet is 100% acrylic. And I got one more in here that's knitted. Ooh, this one looks really pretty. Look at it. You guys ready? Gosh, I love them. Let's see what this says. It says made in Canada, 100% acrylic. That's nice that they said that it was 100% acrylic. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Let me get the right side out, facing you. Ooh, I like that one. It's knitted. See those colors? We got purples and blues and grays. And I like the design of the little, I don't know what knit stitch that is, the little poof. It's actually a nice size too. But I'll get a measurement on it. So it's probably going this way, probably is maybe how it's supposed to go. That's gorgeous. That's a gorgeous knitted Afghan. So thank you so much, Mary Maxim, for donating these to my cause. I really appreciate it. I really appreciated that you labeled them as well. That way, you know, I know. If I can write down what they were. Which one's your favorite out of all of these? Gosh, they're all so pretty. So I'll write it. I'll get them all tagged up. Well, the ones that aren't. Or I'll get them all measured. How about that? And get them all tagged up and put them with the rest of the Afghans that I got back so far. And again, I want to say special thank you to Mary Maxim for how much you've helped support this cause, even though I never asked. You just so kindly donated this and another kit. I really appreciate it. And special thank you to everybody that's helping me, that I commission out either knit or crochet Afghans to. I really appreciate that. Special thank you to everybody that's offered to donate other things, but remember, I will do something different where I'll accept donations at the end of, end of the year. We'll do that again, because you can never make enough money for the animals. they depend on us. So, and then, yeah, and special thank you to everybody that's watched my videos, because, you know, I always appreciate that too as well. So, that's it. I'm going to go. I just wanted to share a little bit of kindness, because I don't see anything wrong with making videos about kindness. That's how we share the love. Bye, guys.